Don't stop now.
Yeah.
Don't
so you
stop
want to
now.
know what that is? That is my upcoming single.
That is barely.
No, that is there's a third single coming.
Okay.
One of these days. So I thought I'd just give you all a little.
Oh, snap. Exclusive. Right here on DTTV, baby. All right. Beautiful.
Yeah. So that was entitled Lena, and that's going to be the third single out of this album.
By the way, the comment section is going bananas.
Oh, yeah.
People are loving what you're doing. So, let's not...
Okay.
Let's not stop now. Let's keep it going.
Okay. Thank you for the love. I'll read them later. I love you. I love you all. All right. And this is... well, you know what this is.
You know what it is.
I was born 3 hours before noon, and I already was gazing for you. Tell me, did you hear my first cry? Tell me, did you hear my first cry? Yeah, I was crying for you. I was crying for you. What dress did you walk when you came and found me? When you came and found me, yeah. What dress did you board when you came to me? When you came to me, yeah. I think the Lord sent you to get me. Get me, yeah. Don't you think the Lord would guide you to me? He would guide you to me. He would guide you to me. Guide you to me. He would guide you to me, yeah.
Oh man.
Hey, you wanna, hey, hey, you wanna, hey, you wanna, hey. is coming together.
Oh, this is where I jump in.
This is where.
Okay.
This is where you
How many times have I asked myself why, who, when, what, where, when the answer was right there? So I did what I had to do so I can do what I want to do. Cause I could see my goals at a distance, but I had to figure out how to go through resistance. But who can know best, the best way I can be the best me? Like the God Almighty, it took me a while to figure it out, that if I don't go within, then I go without. I was pushed all the way to the edge. That's when I really had to believe that I can fly. See, it's unbelievable. My purpose is lyrical, and I believe in miracles. V, I said I believe in miracles. Hey, bang mele way, nah. Hey, I believe in miracles. I said I believe. I believe in miracles. I said I believe in miracles.
I believe in miracles.
I said I believe in miracles. Hey, said I believe in miracles. Hey,
I believe in miracles.
hey, I said I believe in miracles. Say,
I believe in miracles. I believe in miracles.
Hey.
Miracles.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, the comment section is going crazy right now. Talking about you and your music, you are definitely doing what God sent you here to do. You know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. Appreciate
Yeah, yeah. And Martin Dober says, "I'm sure the late great Oliver Mduguzi would salute you."
I miss Oliver. I miss Oliver.
We all do, brother. We all do. We all
Thanks,
do.
brother.
Yeah.
Uplifting, yeah.
And I think the most important thing, especially for us as artists, is just don't stop what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. Nice. Never put the guitar down.
You keep it up as well. You're doing well. Keep it up, brother.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Miss Belinda Chester says, music is such a powerful and beautiful thing. It's like a personal memory card. Just from listening to you sing From Hero to Zero, so many childhood memories come back. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. All right. Let's keep the music going.
Keep the music going.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bongbonela abantu abami lababona nangibuya Bongbonela saluwati samiri China lasibona nangibuya Bongbonela likhehla lamandende lalibona nangibuya Ngoba lo msebenzi lona lengiwenda bo awufuni ngihlale ndzawonye Lo msebenzi lona lengikiwo awufuni ngihlale phansi Lo msebenzi lona lengikiwo ngithunyiwe emhlaba wonke Bongonela abantu abami ababona ngibuya bongonela salokwathi samirijana asibona ngibuya bongonela khehlela mandele alibona nangibuya ngoba lo msebenzi lona lengiwendako awufuni ngihlale ndzawonye lo msebenzi lona lengikiwo nginiwe mhlaba wonke lo msebenzi lona engikiwo sebenzela abantu bami umsebenzi lona engikiwo imelela kithi life yeah 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 oh my name yeah man oh yeah.
All right. So the name of the song is called I'm in Love. So for every viewer at home, maybe let me just teach you the chord. It says, I'm in love. I'm in love with you. I'm in love. I'm in love with you. So this is I'm in love with you. When I look in your eyes, I see the beauty of love. Yeah, it's undeniable that you're a blessing from above. Yet it's amazing how to me your heart you
Let the whole world know my heart is yours to have, 'cause I'm in love. I'm in love with you. I'm in love. I'm in love with you. Whenever I am around you, my heart sings a song, a song so beautiful. Your heart sings along. The kisses from your lips are tender and so sweet, like the sound of a trumpet playing in the street. But you know what? I'm in love. I'm in love with you. I'm in love. I'm in love with you. Everybody at home, you can say with us, I'm in love. I'm in love with you. I'm in love. I'm in love with you. Hey, you are the song of my heart, a perfect melody, for better or for worse. I still will choose you first. I'm in love. I'm in love with you. I'm in love. I'm in love with you. Hey, I'm in love. I'm in love with you. I'm in love. I'm in love with you.
Yeah. Man, this brother's just got some soul, he's got some pipes, and he's got some skill with the keys, man.
But if there is a song that actually still grows even now to me is not really my song.
Yeah.
It's a song I did with Uloyiso.
Yes.
Dimbonile. It's
Dimbonile,
quite, a very interesting song.
Yeah,
Quite a lot.
yeah, definitely. Which was another moment for you to actually be in the same room with somebody that you probably grew up listening to, and then now you're interacting with them as a peer.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, great stuff, man. Yo, like the comments are coming in now, and we're trying to shut the show down. Mangaliso Nchangasa says, this is fire. Thank you very much, Manga. We appreciate you tuning in. PG is going crazy about the new songs. When are you making them available on YouTube? He did say he would be uploading the music this weekend. As in the videos that you're watching right now will be available on YouTube from this weekend. Tanya says, please play Vuma, someone dedicated to me a long time ago. Listen, if you Tanya, you have the CD. Just play the CD, okay?
Yeah.
Pila Damini says, ho laini. Stop exposing our Peak Speak Green. I love this show. Fantastic host and lovely backroom team. Power to all of you. Tini excellence.
Yeah, man.
Teboho, why did you shoot 2 music videos for Tiki? We will allow Sans to answer that, or he'll answer that to you directly. And replying to Pila, couldn't agree more, so refreshing. The video of Ndibonile was dope. Sans, we are out of time. Yeah. Please, what are your final sentiments to the viewers, to aspiring musicians, and to anyone out there who's got a dream?
I'd say stay true to yourself and stay true to your calling, and what you love, you perfect. And
what you love, you perfect. Yes, sir.
And thank you so much for the support, and keep supporting us. We love you guys, and we'll keep on talking more since this time runs out. So we don't run out on Facebook, and so get in touch with us. The Sans Music page on Facebook, the Sans at Sans Music 01 on Twitter, and Sans Music _official on Instagram. And let's keep in touch and stay safe, and remember social distancing.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Man, it's been a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time with you this evening right here on DTTV. Shout out to Prime Digital, and of course to the man behind the scenes, Daniel Toro, for holding it down. Also Evolve Studios for the graphic design and technical support. We appreciate you guys very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Sans, for taking some time out to hang out with us right here on DTTV. Siyabonga.
Thank you so much.
And my man, maybe in case I never got the chance to say this, congratulations on your success. I wish you well, and I'm so proud of you. Keep going, man. Like right now, and I keep saying to people, there's no plan B. You know what I mean? This is it. And we're taking this all the way. And we're going to wherever it will take us as well. You know what I mean? So we'll just keep going. So thank you very much for doing what you do with so much passion and so much fire and so much power. Dlamini Zwagele says, Nawe Eswatini Mncinyana, big up to you guys for putting us on the map. Nkosi, Siyabonga, and we appreciate you very much. So from me, Tamsanga Sbanze, aka the KrTC of HipHop. It's been beautiful, it's been real. Shout out to Daniel Toro, my producer, always making things happen right here on DTTV. Remember, in about 30 minutes, we will have the premiere of Eswatini's drama series, Ekaya. So please just go on, make sure that you tune into Eswatini TV. But for now, we're going to sign out with Sans giving us... Please clarify. Young Faga, no young keeper. What's going on? So, but please, guys, thank you very much. Good night.
These are the African sounds. Can't get rid of it. katse ngikushala katse ngikufuna katse ngikusoma wena sola bungivumi katse ngikushala katse ngikufuna katse ngikusoma wena sola bungivumi katse ngikushala katse ngikufuna katse ngikusoma wena sola bungivumi katse ngikushala katse ngikufuna katse ngikushala katse ngikufuna katse ngikufuna katse ngikushala katse ngikura sokoto 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 ra so sekete 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 I say everybody dance now everybody move everybody groove now everybody dance go down 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 go down 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 go down 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 go down 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 everybody move now everybody dance everybody groove now everybody move go down 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 so goodbye thank you so much Bushfire so we really appreciate you wherever you are in the world and we love you we love you we love you do not forget we keep the fire burning. Thank you so much to Jigsaw at House on Fire for keeping the fire alive, keeping the flames burning. And thank you to everyone watching. May you have the best of time. And we appreciate you. Thank you so much. Go. I say everybody move now, everybody dance. Look back, say.
I got one more song for you guys, and I'm sure you guys know the song. It's all over my platforms, and I hope you guys really enjoy this song. It's called Zumbu. Wherever you are, I need you guys to dance. Hey. Hey. Hey.
I heard about you, the same this kingdom, there's nobody like you. Prove I'm your bond for, but you said I'm friends and you're breaking some cycles. Nobody like you. Guess they were right when they told me I like you. Hey, I guess they were right when they told me I like you. Voice of a goddess, the queen of class, yeah. I must be honest. See you walking your stance, girl. Voice of a goddess, oh, the queen of class. I must be honest. It's in your walking your stance, girl. Buteleni bo, buteleni bo, buteleni. Umamufunza kutsangiwele phansi, kube bwenawa kunye mandi, ngabe mandi yakho akamele luswayi. Kutsangitse kusuke lukhuli phansi, yeah. Hey, tinganyeti yativeli na vele ebusuku. Yakana biyona, yakana biyona, yakana biyona, yakana biyona, yakana biyona. Ingakani ngagitsi, ngakani ngagitsi, ngakani ngagitsi. pienso, yakana pienso, yakana pienso, oh yakana piona, yakana pienso, yakana pienso, yakana pienso, oh yakana piona. Muteleniona, Buteleni bon, buteleni, buteleni.
I'm gonna ask my brother to come join me on this one. I mean, we have come so far, courtesy of hip hop. I don't know where Mosaic is, but like, he knows I love him and I'm going to rape his lines. But he's my brother, so, y'all. Pelabuya Tamsang, so you can help me with like, come on, you know this song, right? Hey. Como kababem yama sihlabelelo niwe baba inkomo kababem yama sihlabelelo kwaima niwe baba.
Ngeva ngithulukele ngekhathi kwathi ngikuphumele ngaleli bila because without you I'm so incomplete. Without having you as my feeling good and I'm choosing to express myself over you. Moving Gwenya sprung up and down like a cool to the song. Do this and all, seeing now with this drama, be turning my words to song. Vele waconza enhlitiyweni makhuluma wena kuvele kube nekuthula emoyeni uletha injabulo nakubo bonke labakuvile anginamahlono kusho ukuthi nami nginthandile. I've tried to do this rap thing before in a cappella umnguni wafaka wena ngeva nami sengiphelela ngawe sengihamba umhlaba wonke ngingaphumi endlini BEAT stay with me yours truly.
Said it's my source of inspiration. Why como gababe lena bo.
Most of y'all will know this. Never do it like us. From the I Am Here EP. After this, I'm out. 1, 2, hey! Never do it like us. Never do it like us. Never do it like us. Never do it like yeah. Never do it like us. Y'all will never do it like me. We'll never do it like y'all. Never do it like us. Never do it like us. Yeah. Hey! Never do it like us. Never do it like us. Listen. Never do it like us. Y'all will never do it like us. Roll good in the whip. Hey, couple hundreds in the pocket. I got a couple hundreds in the pocket. Hey, yeah. Team member never do it like y'all. Dream on, cause you never ever do it like us. For what it's worth, I can give you that. I got none of you. Woo! 3 stripes on my soul. Going all in like a boss. Everything we do is no fault. Straight talent, I would never talk. Real talk, hey. We just spend the whole city rain. Do it like we got pins. It's all fun, it'll never end. So mean, we just always in. There's no pain, man, we just always in. Never do it like us. 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 Y'all will never do it like me. We'll never do it like y'all. Never do it like us. Never do it like us. Hey, listen. Never do it like us. Woo. Put them cups in the sky. Turn up on the couch, then you pull it down. That's a default toast to all the good times that we always have. Then you put them hands in the air after sipping though. Cause you never wanna walk out smelling like that. Cause that's the only thing you're still hating on the 5-0. Girls sucking on the floor there. And it's looking like an earthquake. Yeah. Always praying every day. Needs been just asking for more every day. Glass half full is what we say it is. Send you back in every negative, but we deal with it. Bring it back to where the team is. The fact still is you would never do it like it. Never do it like us. Never do it like us. Never do it like that. Never do it like us. Y'all will never do it like me. We'll never do it like y'all. Never do it like us. Never do it like us. Hey, never do it like us. One more time, sing along. Hey, never do it like us. Never do it like us. Never do it like that. Never do it like us. Y'all will never do it like me. We'll never do it like y'all. Never do it like us. Never do it like us. Hey, never do it like us, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.
Welcome back. You're still tuned on to DTTV with your host, the courtesy of hip-hop, aka the Black Superman, aka Never Been Afraid to Go In, aka the stone that the builder removed. Yeah, it's about to go down like I promised you, and behind me, now I have the band, and they're giving me a little bit of talk music. So I feel like, you know, a superstar kind of vibes. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go straight to the music with Yema accompanied on the lead guitar by Sibs in the City, on the keys, NKO, on the drums, my man C's, on the bass guitar, Pumla, and on the saxophone, the homie Zwile. So ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. She was one of the first 3 artists to audition for the brightest competition in the land, and she was one of the last 3 artists standing. So boys and girls, brothers and sisters all around the world, everybody stream and welcome Yema.
It's not about me, it's not about you, but look at what it's all come to. Asisa Bugani, Asisa Sidani. It's my way or the highway, a bullet to the head, take a knee and pray. We should come together as one. There are things we do that cannot be undone. But our function and dysfunction right here, cause and do it all for your destiny, but we forsaken for secrecy. And every day gets harder. At night me and my brother, now just get on my knees and pray. Oh, hey, thank you guys so much for being a part of this. I see you.
Yes. Now that we got that out the way, let's get back to the business while I'm actually here. The song is called Note to Self. I'm sure you guys already know it. Let's get right to it. I was given this life to waste it. I gotta make the most of the time that I spend with family. I gotta make the most of my time, and instead of gaming, I'm writing these songs with hatred and envy. I'm feeling empty. I'm 24 and unemployed. Kinda bitter soul, I can't even afford myself. My girlfriend asking for Medicare. I tried to tell her being broke isn't a joke, but she left the following day, left a note on top of the furniture. Cause being broke isn't an option for a man. Never trust the people that say I'm your biggest fan. Never trust the people that follow you on the gram. I only trust in God cause He made me the way I am. I pray that I never drop and stay winning until the end. I pray to God that I never give you less than a 10. I pray to God that anyone listening becomes a fan. I give you my heart and soul. That's all that you need to hear. It's a note to self. It wasn't meant to make you dance. I swear to God, this is a note to self. But if you feel it, clap your hands. I swear to God, this is a note to self. Hey, it wasn't meant to make you dance. This is a note to self. Hey, look, I come from the dirty south. That's the Shiselweni region. I've never seen the king, I've never seen the queen region. I've never been to Movie Zone, never been to prom, I've never had a 21st, I've never been outside my zone. I've never been the one to see a trend and follow. And every outfit that you've ever seen me wear on stage, I borrowed, son of a slave.
I've been grinding for almost every day. And my mom is a school teacher for 30-something years. She gave her heart and soul to providing for all her kids. I am just a product of everything that she is. If you're watching this, if this year I win these awards, I fantasize about the day that I light them against the wall. Cause all heroes don't wear capes. Not every hero gets a standing ovation whenever they walk off stage, and that's the truth. Maybe I wasn't good enough to start, but I was, and I'm giving you this Maya Angelou vibe. It's a note to self. Okay. It wasn't meant to make you dance, I swear to God, this is a note to self. But if you feel it, clap your hands, I swear to God, this is a note to self. It wasn't meant to make you dance, it's a note to self. Look, I remember when mama was just on the verge of collapse. Barely food on the table and she was drowning in debt. I was only 14 at the time, didn't have a clue how to help. Plus I didn't like to see her go through all of that crap. 30 years as a primary school teacher and mother to 4. And a blessing to the rest of the community. She gave a lot and she didn't expect a reward. I hope your hard work is shown in your retirement fund, but never mind, I hope you buy something nice. When I get paid, I swear that I will buy you a car. That new Toyota Corolla you're always talking about. The one with the power steering and leather interior, right? Look, you were practically a single mom. Daddy was never around. You still kept it closer to the ground. So when I have kids, I pray that you're still around to see them turn into angels like Essential is now. Now, well, I'm a young black and a blessed son of a government slave, and I'm tearing it all down. Just look at how we started from the bottom to claiming the spotlight. I know that you're so proud. It's a note to self. Woo! It wasn't meant to make you dance. I swear to God, this is a note to self. I like that. Yeah, yeah. But if you feel it, clap your hands. I swear to God, this is a note to self. Bang. I like that. It wasn't meant to make you dance. It's a note to self. Stay true to self. Stay true to self. Stay true to self. Shout out to the SQ Project, Big Sis, NKO, Sibs, Pumla. It's my favorite part of the song because I'm not doing anything. But here it is. Stay true to self. Stay true to self. Bob. It's a note to self. It's a note to self. Stay true to self. Stay true to self. Woo! It's a note to self. It's a note to self. Okay. It's a note to self. It's a note to self. Stay true to self. Stay true to self. Hey, stay true to self. Woo! Woo! What a way to close the show. Shout out Daniel Toro one time. Shout out to the homie Kurt. Oxygen is in the building. Zoe Genesis, Sean DeSosa. Sven is also in the building. Stay true to self. Did I say more? It's a note to self. Stay true to self. True to self.
Once again, thank you to DTTV, Daniel Toro, Platinum Concepts, Uncle Kali, Prime Digital, Evolve Studios, to the SQ Project, Sis, Pumla, Sibs in the City, and NKO, the band holding it down in the background. We appreciate you guys so much. And everybody in the background, Daniel Shaq, we see you, brother. Thanks for the pictures that will make sure we look good also on the social streets. Larry Mastermind, the man behind putting these guys, the glue that holds these two together. Ngoba hi man, I'm big. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Yema, thank you so much. We see you, girl.
Yema, we see you.
We see you. Welcome to the show. Guys, coming through for an encore. Here's A to Z once again. On the end of that, we'll be shutting down the show. It's peace, love, and happiness. Stay safe, and we love you. We love you. We can't wait to have you guys on the same place as us. But for now, let's keep these live streams going. Let's get it.
Batungisile, iyabonga baby noma kunjalo. Dali wami, batungisile, iyabonga baby noma kunjalo. Labi wami, batungisile, iyabonga baby noma kunjalo.
Sangithatha umuvu ngalendlela ngikuthanda ngayo baby. Nhliziyo yami yomela wena sithandwa sami. Ngikugangile baby ngiyavuma noma bangathini ngami ngiyavuma. Sangithatha umuvu ngalendlela ngikuthanda ngayo baby. Nhliziyo yami yomela wena baby love.
Let you know, right in Pilaso, Iwanko, no mame banga show. Daddy one, but to see it, Iabonga, baby, no maguchalo. Love you, one, but to see it, Iabonga, baby, no maguchalo. Daddy one, but to see it. Iyabonga baby no maguchalo. Labi wami batungisile. Iyabonga baby no maguchalo. Labi wami batungisile. Iyabonga baby no maguchalo. Batungisile. Iyabonga baby.
Noma bangathi
iyabonga baby noma kunjalo. Labi wami batungisile. Ngiyabonga baby noma kunjalo. Thank you.
This next song is titled Hamba. A song about rising. Thank you, Telile. I feel the love.
Vuka phenzi bambe ubambe uma uva ngathi awusakhoni, look inside of you, find your strength. Uma uva ngathi awusakhoni, look inside of you, find your strength. Hey, 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 hey. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid to take those steps. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid, no, 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 yeah. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid to take those steps forward. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid to take those steps forward. Ungesabe kubuya udame, nawedlula kile. Ungakhona wena phela njena ungadethemba, na ungadethemba. Yeah, qinisela hamba, phikela la hamba. Uma wavuka phinda uyibambe. Qinisela hamba, phikela hamba. Uma wavuka phinda uyibambe, bambe, 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 bambe. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid to take those steps, yeah, yeah. Hamba, hamba, don't be afraid to take those steps, yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, guys.
You came just as Zwile was jumping on. Kukule to Damini says, the sex guy. Yeah, sex guy. 10 Bell, I see you, I see you, I see you. Kosi, Pagati inside, thank you very much, Mama. And all the best with your hustle as well. Tracy, the selector, Non Jabuliso Masego, Pretty Precious Zigalala. We see you guys. Thank you so much. Shout out to the band, for real, for real, for real. Shout out to the band throughout the season. Every time an artist says they need a band to back them, the SQ Project says, we got you. So thank you guys very much. Sifiso Klaba, I see you, aka Talika Rees, appreciate you. Marisa Edwards, hello, hello Maurice. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We appreciate you. I know Pinky Nyandoro, I see you. Lunga, Shongwe, I see you guys. Thank you so much. And earlier this afternoon, I actually had the privilege of making 2 new friends. So Brandon and Andrew, I know you guys are watching. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. Yo, band, let's keep the show going. Hey, See, I'm addicted to black. Black is my happy color on that blackity black. Fight for freedom and equality, that liberty black. Only stop being black when they make a darker color. Blacker than black, I am the black Superman. How about pumuling over solong about Superman? Heart of a warrior. I stomp the ground with the power of a ZCC up in Moria. Ha! Young, gifted and black. Bagay smoke the man the ed, but now we're taking it back. From the top of the throat to the tip of the toe. They try to keep us on our knees cause we're so powerful. I am shouting it loud. I am black and I'm proud. I am black by myself and I am black in the crowd. A reflection of the triumph of my forefathers. No more Basatela Pasi. We rise above all others. Hey! Yeah. Hey. Everybody sing along, say black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. Say black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. Listen, pearls don't lie on the seashore. If you want your treasure, then you gotta go way under. I wonder how many of us make that blunder of looking for your purpose only on the surface. The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. The darker the skin, the deeper the roots. We are the help that we need, but we need to realize that the help is in here and not out there. Painted in the wealth of the oil, covered in the power of the earth and the soil. Black is the lyric, black is poetic, black is its own thing, you just can't compare it. Black is beautiful now, black was beautiful then. It's the source on the how, it's the ink in this pen. Barely celebrated, often imitated, hardly elevated, most degenerated. Black is undeniable, black is uncontainable, black is hardly tameable, black is highly flammable. Black don't crack, and if it ain't black, take it back. Yeah, cause it's your black, it's your melanin. Hey, another quite like you, so embrace your beautiful. Hey, cause it's your black, it's your melanin. Black is beautiful. 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 Yeah. Beautiful. Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. NKO, take me. See, I'm addicted to black. Black is my happy color on that blackity black. Fight for freedom and equality, that liberty black. I'll only stop being black when they make a darker color. Blacker than black, I am the black Superman. How about pumuling over solong yaba Superman? Heart of a warrior. I stomp the ground with the power of a ZCC up in Moria. Kwasuka-sukela kwakhona lomunye umfana bekana elphupho lekutsinza umhlaba aphinza hlanganise sive semaswati ngekuhlabelela. Hey, manje inkinga bekuthi tihlobo nebangani ekhaya nasesikolweni bebangazange bakubone lokho, bamhleka bangamnaki bambheka ke bangamfaka emandla bangamkhuthadi nani bamthathela but he didn't get down for the people in this town. Hi, labanye betu. Hi, Katsma Maswati Mahala. Only proudly Swati when in traditional regale. At the Redance Marula Festo, at the Ingdwala. But on the socials, Natikbali Swati Gulikala. How we supposed to rise up, sing a Maswati when they Maswati are always bringing down the Maswati. How is Swatiniwa? 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 We come from the land of the kings, majestic in how we are handling things. Crowned we are glorious beings. Bring rain from the clouds with the tribe when it sings. Come from the land of the kings, majestic in how we are handling things. Crowned we are glorious beings. Bring rain from the clouds with the tribe when it sings. How is Swatiniwa? How is Swatiniwa? How is Swatiniwa? Cheer. Proudly Swazi, we only got one country, only got one nationality. We got to be proud of who we are and what we do right here in the kingdom of Eswatini. Now, this next song is a story that somebody asked me to tell on their behalf. I need to make that clear. This is not my story. This might, or it might, or just not quite have happened to me. Maybe, kind of, sort of, but not quite. I don't know. Anyway, let's just play the damn track. I don't know, but enjoy. It's called All I Remember. The cups were full, the drinks were flowing. I saw a couple of chicks with the titties showing. Home is like, one. I'm like, hell yeah, I'ma throw in another one. Ifunduk double, make it a double. Because tonight I wanna get into a whole lot of trouble. I took them both upstairs. As soon as we closed the door, got to a truth or dare. They were tipsy, down for whatever. A dream come true, menage, baba. She kissed me, I kissed her. Fiddly and touchy, they kissed each other. Then I was there to take some shots. My eyes were blurry and my chest was hot. Cause Zuling Gonvo, Papeli Plan, Eskom Eskaleni, Watimi Ban. Fast forward, I'm all alone. I'm still on the bed, but I'm all alone. And I can tell from the video on my phone that another man took him and now they're gone. All I remember Nabuga saying Hanjiwe Na Kechamova Mine Bengzagiwe. All I remember Nabuga saying Hanjiwe Na Kechamova Mine Bengzagiwe. Listen. Now let me tell you a story about this other guy. The lonely wing and Tanza Nomkula wa me kind of guy. The love of the party kind of guy. Then I'm shy of Vandami binang him sabi kind of guy. Banvana bamwele baza bambita riverbank. Utanza ma Portuguese, go sisi babo do the band. The only thing like I Tanza when do a lean model. Ice cold kiss, lean green bottle. Drink. His favorite word in the dictionary is drink. His favorite song by King Terry is a drink. So given the choice between a girl and a drink, Utala gets his drink. And so he drank another one and then he drank some more. Whatever, 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila. He doesn't even know how he got to his bed. So he said, all I remember Nabuda Sek Hanjiwe. Ketcha moba mine bengtagiwe. All I remember abuga sekhanjiwe. Nga ketcha moba mine bengtagiwe. Ene nga ketcha how bengtagiwe bo. Ene nga ketcha nga ketcha bengtagiwe bo. Mine nga ketcha bengtagiwe bo. Nga ketcha Ene nga ketcha how bengtagiwe bo. Nga ketcha